Did you know that some billionaires pay way less tax than you do? No, really. Now imagine working your 9 to 5, paying taxes like a responsible citizen, and then finding out Jeff Bezos probably pays less in taxes than your local pizza shop. I mean, the guy could probably buy a small country and still get a refund. But here's the thing, they're not breaking the law, they just know the loopholes that most of us don't. And today I'm going to show you exactly how the rich legally avoid taxes and how you can use some of these tricks yourself. And remember, in this video I am teaching you how to avoid taxes and not start a company or business or something like that. These are just ways to avoid taxes. Alright then, first up, start a business. You ever notice how every rich person seems to own a company? It's not just for show. When you own a business, a lot of things suddenly become business expenses. See this? If I buy it, it's just coffee. But if my business buys it, it's a necessary expense for productivity. That's right. Business owners can deduct office supplies, meals, even their car if it's used for work. That's why you see business owners driving luxury cars. They don't buy them personally, they buy them under their business, which unfortunately means my Honda is not a business expense yet. Next up, real estate. Rich people love real estate, and not just because it looks cool on Instagram. It's because of something called depreciation. Imagine buying a property, renting it out, and then telling the government, "Oh no, my property is getting old, it's losing value, I deserve a tax break." And the government just goes, "Yeah, that makes sense." Like, what? That's depreciation. You can write off the value of your property over time, even if it's actually making you money. Here's where the ultra-rich really play the game. It's called tax loss harvesting, and it's like turning your L's into W's. Let's say you invest in a stock and it tanks. Sad, right? Wrong. The rich sell that losing stock, claim it as a loss on their taxes, and use it to cancel out other income. Then, get this, they sometimes buy the same stock back later when it's cheaper. Big brain energy. Now let's talk offshore accounts. You know how in movies, rich villains always have Swiss bank accounts? Yeah, that's a real thing, except it's not illegal. Rich people park their money in tax-friendly countries, legally avoiding high taxes. But unless you have millions lying around, opening a Swiss bank account just to hide your birthday money isn't exactly worth it. So what can you do? Don't worry, you don't need a billion-dollar company to use these tricks. Here's what you can do right now. 1. Start a side hustle. Even a small online business lets you deduct business expenses. 2. Invest smartly. Use tax-advantaged accounts like the NPS or PPF. 3. Track expenses. Many things, home office, mileage, phone bills, can be tax-deductible if used for work. Consider real estate. If you buy a rental property, depreciation can lower your taxable income. Now, before you go calling your accountant like, "Help me deduct everything," remember these are legal tax strategies, but they have rules, so be smart about it. If you found this helpful, or at least mildly entertaining, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial wisdom, and drop a comment. What's the weirdest tax loophole you've ever heard of? Let's talk about it. Also, if you want to have a fit body, just like your fit finance, please do check out the fitness channel in the description. You will love to see the channel.